How are you all? Yes, Shirsh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody, first of all, open your cameras, all of you. We are meeting after such a long time. Let me see your faces at least.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, how are you all? Everybody, open your cameras. Hurry up. Nobody is listening to me. We can't start the class like
Ma'am,
this.
I am fine. How are you?
Very good. I'm very good. Pratyaksh, Athar, Rishabh. Very good, Manas. Beta, all of you are supposed to open your cameras, okay? In the entire class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. How are you?
Ma'am, fine.
Very nice. So, how was your break? How was your 20-day break? How many days
Ma'am,
did
very
you use
good.
it? How many how many days of holidays did you get?
Ma'am, 20.
20. Yes. Long time, huh? How did you use it?
Ma'am, to enjoy.
Okay. Why am I seeing only one child talking in the class? Why is
Ma'am,
everybody
I
very
am.
quiet? Yes,
And
Manas.
ma'am, I
Ma'am,
also study.
Very nice.
I enjoy studying, studying and playing.
Very nice. And what about others? Molly Mishra, Devansh Verma, Pratyaksh Rathi, Arav Solanki. Beta, please open your cameras. Don't sit like this in the class. Hurry up and open your cameras. Children, is there anybody in the class who doesn't know his or her house? All of you know your house colors?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So we have one newcomer in the class. That's now where is that student gone? Molly was there. Okay, she's left the meeting. All right. So the next period, the next class again you have with me, which is a kind of free period, the CT lecture. In that we are going to discuss your holidays. Okay, how you spent your holidays. Right now, first of all, let's take the attendance. Okay, all of you call out your names. I'll mark your attendance, and then we are going to start with our SST. Okay. Starting from Shirsh, beta, please start calling out your name.
Shears.
Yes, then very good, Shirsh. And next, Manas. Everybody,
Yeah.
one by one.
Manas,
Manas, okay. Then
Tutu,
very good. Then nobody else is present. All right, let's begin the class now. And those children who have not opened their cameras, I will really not write your name. Is that fine? Molly. Okay, Molly, beta, please open your camera. Arush Chaudhary, open your camera. Devansh Verma, Sarthak Agarwal. There are 12 students in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But out of these 12, only 1 to 3 have not been marked. Sarthak, Arush and Pratyaksh Rathi, I will not mark them present. Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, Molly Mishra is my name and my sister's name is Mishti Mishra. I was taking
Mishti.
class from,
Okay,
yes ma'am,
beta.
I was taking class from this device, that's why my name is written.
All right, so you are Mishti Mishra. Okay, wonderful. Welcome to SR International, Mishti. How are you?
Thank you.
All right, very nice. So, beta, you've got all the subjects work? You've got the work of all the subjects? Very nice, wonderful. You've completed your work?
Yes ma'am.
Good. Okay, so let's begin our class. Now, we've done 2 chapters of SST, right? Everybody? Yes or no? Show
Yes,
me your
ma'am.
thumbs up. Yes.
Ma'am.
So did you revise these 2 chapters in the break? All of you, you revised your work? No. Doesn't look like you studied, huh? Yes. Yes, only Manas is saying, showing a thumbs up.
Ma'am, I am learning also.
Yes, now you're learning also. Very nice. Okay, no problem. But today what we'll do, we will start with the next chapter. What is the name of the next chapter, Nandini? What is the name of?
Ma'am, responsibilities of good citizens.
Very nice. Responsibilities of good citizen. Okay, do you know who a citizen is? Can you tell me? What do you mean by citizen?
Ma'am, people who live in city.
Okay, anything else? What is citizen? What do you mean by citizen? Citizens are people who live in any country and have the who are the residents of any country. We are the citizens of which country? Tell me.
India.
India. We live in India. We are what? We are the residents of India. Okay, so that makes us what? We are born and brought up. Our parents are born and brought up. So we have the citizenship of which country? We have the citizenship of India. We are the citizens of India. Okay?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, Harsh. You're joining your class late. What is the time of the class, children? You have to be very punctual now. Like you attend your classes, like you attend your school when you come to school. This is how you're supposed to attend your classes here online. Okay? All of you open your book to page number. Which page number, children?
Ma'am, 20. 20.
Okay. So how are we supposed to start a chapter? Tell me. How do we start a chapter? By doing what?
Am I
By,
reading?
No.
By reading.
No.
by
How have we done the previous 2 chapters? What is the first thing of the chapter that we started with? You forgot. Yes, Rishabh, you want to say anything?
no, ma'am.
Okay, everybody has forgotten. We started our previous chapters with difficult words. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So everybody open your copies, write down today's date, write down the chapter name and the heading difficult words. Written?
I'm in copy.
Yes, in copy. Harsh Patel, beta, open your camera.
This meeting is being recorded by
And today's date and chapter name is keywords.
No, beta. Chapter name is Responsibilities of Good Citizen.
No, ma'am, I asking that we have writing the chapter name after we have write keywords.
After writing the chapter name, write down difficult words. What we are going to do today, we are going to do difficult words of chapter number 3. What is the date today? 21st May, right?
Yes, ma'am.
21st May. Then write down chapter number 3, difficult word. Sorry, chapter number 3, responsibilities of good citizen.
Ma'am, year is also 2021 and day also 21.
Yes. Year also 21 and date is also 21. Written? All of you have written?
Oh, ma'am, please wait for a minute.
Let me know when all of you do this. I'll call out the first word. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now write down. The first word is election. Election. What is the spelling of election? Who can tell me?
Then can I?
Yes, tell.
ELECTION.
Very nice. ELECTION. Election. Next word, commission. Commission. Election commission. Have you heard of it? What is election commission? We are going to learn about it in this chapter. What is the spelling of commission? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell.
COMMITION.
Very nice. COMM. Everybody write. COMMISION. Williams. Okay, beta, I will write in the chat box. Wait, I'm going to write both the words in the chat box. Don't worry. Election, and second is commission. All of you look up in your chat box. Done? Everybody has done till here? Okay. Then the third word is ballot. Ballot. What is a ballot? It's a box, ballot box. Now, what is the purpose of this ballot box? That we are going to learn in this chapter. How do you spell ballot? It is spelled as B-A-L-L-O-T. Ballot.
Ma'am, written.
Okay. Then the next, very nice. The next word, the fourth word is government. Government. What is the spelling of government?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, GOVERMENT.
No, it's not GOVERMENT. Children often make this mistake, but there is N also in the word. It's government. It's not government, it's government. GOVERN, then MENT, government. Then the fifth word, all of you
Ma'am,
have
written.
written, all of you?
Yes, ma'am, I've written.
Okay, then what is the fifth word? The fifth word is leaders. Who will spell leaders and tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
LEADERS.
Very nice. LEADERS. Leaders. Written.
Ma'am, I have written.
All of you have written.
Ma'am, I have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The
Yes,
next,
ma'am.
the next
ma'am.
word is belonging. Belonging. We often use this word for our things. My things or my belongings. Something that belongs to you. Belongings. Yes, Nandini, you want to say something?
Ma'am, belonging spelling is BELONGINGS.
Yes. Hmm.
NGING.
Yes, belonging. BELONG is belong. And then ING.
Ma'am written.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am written.
All of you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The next word is neighbors. Neighbors. Who will tell the spelling of neighbors? Yes, tell. Who knows the spelling of neighbors?
Ma'am, I know the spelling of neighbor.
Then tell.
Ma'am, NEINEIB.
Yes. No.
Ma'am, sorry, NEIGH
Yes. Yes.
BOURS.
Very nice. Very good. Written, done.
Ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, wonderful. Then the next word.
Ma'am, I have written.
Elderly. The next word is elderly. Elder. All of us know the spelling of elder, right?
Yes, ma'am. We are know the spelling of elder and we are joining it to ly.
Yes, we have to join only. Yes, ly. Very nice. Then the next word is surroundings. Surroundings.
Ma'am, I joined meeting late. Ma'am, please chanda.
Jajat Gangwar, beta, why so late? Hmm?
Ma'am, my network. I have a network problem.
Now your network is fine, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's fine.
Okay. Take out your SST copy and we are doing difficult words of chapter number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next word is surroundings. All of you have written surroundings?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
the 10th word is citizens. What is the spelling of citizens? Who will tell?
Can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Zoya.
can I tell?
Zoya, you
Can I
want to
tell?
tell? Zoya wants to tell?
CITIZEN.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, what is the next word now? The next word is, after citizens, electronic. Electronic. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, done.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very good.
Ma'am, done.
Very nice, beta.
Done. I'm done.
Then after electronic, we have Maintain. Maintain. Write down maintain.
Ma'am, done with the spelling.
Maintain also done? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Tell the spelling.
M-A. Okay, you want to tell the spelling?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell beta.
MAINTAIN.
Very nice. Very good. Now, after maintain, the 13th word is breaking. Breaking.
Ma'am, can you change the previous word?
Beta, the previous word was maintain. M-A-I-N-T-A-I-N. Maintain.
No, ma'am. What's before number 8?
All the words from the beginning you want to know? Or only the 8th word?
Yes, ma'am.
8th word was elderly. Elderly.
Ma'am, from number 1.
Okay, I'll call out all the words once again. Okay, who will call out all the words? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Atharv Singh, yes. Call out all the words from the beginning. Atharv Singh, beta, call out all the words. Speak all the words.
election commission.
No, not like this. Number 1, election. Number 2, commission,
Number
like this.
1, election. Number 2, election commission. Number 3, ballot.
Ballot.
Number 4, government. Number 6, belonging. Number 7, neighborhood. Number 8, elderly. Number 9, surrounding. Number 10, picture. Number 11, electronic. Number 12, maintain. Number 13, breaking. Ma'am, he is not saying the 5th word, leaders.
Okay, the 5th word was leaders. You missed out leaders, Athar. Have you written leaders, Athar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, shall we move ahead? Yes?
ma'am.
Ready for the next word. The next word is street lights. Street lights. Street lights.
Ma'am, I have written.
Ma'am, I can't
Ma'am,
hear clearly.
can I tell the spelling?
Yes, better tell.
STREETLIGHTS.
We will break the word into street and then lights.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Yes, beta. Then the next word is personal. Personal.
Ma'am written.
I'm done. Ma'am, done.
Next word, the 16th word is particular. Particular.
Ma'am,
Done.
can you send
Particular.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you send the work after class?
Yes, I will send the work, beta. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
I will send the
I'm
work
done.
on. Okay, everybody. I will send the work on D group. All of you are there in D group, 4th B D group.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, you will get all the work over there.
Ma'am,
Then
I'm done.
the last word of this chapter is polling.
Ma'am, I've done. Can I tell?
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, I have written.
P-O-double-L.
I have also written.
Yes, everyone has
Ma'am,
written
can I
this.
also? Ma'am, can I tell the spelling?
Yes, tell.
P-O-double-L-I-N-G.
Very nice. Polling. Very good. Now, children, what we'll do, we will do the reading of this chapter. We are going to read the chapter. Okay. First of all, to read the chapter, I need the PDF of it. I need the PDF of it. Who is going to send me the PDF?
Ma'am, I, Devansh Verma.
Yes.
Ma'am, I, Devansh Verma.
Yes, beta, start reading.
Ma'am, can I go to drink water?
Yes, beta, go. Who is sending me the PDF?
Ma'am, I.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I.
Yes, send. I just want one of you to send me the PDF. Okay. Meanwhile, who will start reading the chapter? One of you, please start reading the
Ma'am,
chapter.
can I?
Okay, let's have today Mishti. Mishti, start reading the chapter.
Ma'am, please send the PDF on
Okay,
group.
you don't have the book.
I read. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Shish, what are you saying?
Ma'am, please send the PDF on the group.
Beta, I too want the PDF. Even I am without book.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Understanding civilization. Ma'am, what is written after understanding?
Beta, how do you begin reading a chapter? You read it, chapter number 2. like that. Chapter 2, name of the chapter.
Okay, ma'am. Chapter number 3, responsibility of good citizens. Ma'am, understanding, ma'am, after understanding what is written.
Beta, understanding civics. It's written civics, but we will read from the beginning. Let's learn about. What are we going to learn in the chapter?
Ma'am, how to work governance.
Yes, there are different points given. How we are going to start this chapter? Let's read from there.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Learn about civics, civics, civic sense, and citizens. Respecting neighbors. Responsibilities of good citizens. Electronics and voting. Caring for public properties. Understanding civics. Civics is a subject that teaches us about how the government of a country works. Every country is run by a government. Some countries are run by king and queens, while some countries like ours are run by a body of leaders elected by us. We learn about citizen rights and duties from civics. It is important for us to help our government and to make sure it works smoothly. And able government works in a interest interest of the country and citizens.
Very nice. Very good. So, understanding civics. Now, in this chapter, what we are going to do, we are going to understand we will come across, we will learn many new different terms. Now, which is the first term? The first term is civics. Now, what is civics? What have we read in the chapter? What is civics? Civics is a subject. Yes, we have heard of. Yes, it is a subject. We have heard of civics with history. Don't we say history civics, right? Civics is a subject now which particularly tells us about what? About the government of a country. We learn, we read, we come to know different points about the government of the country through which subject? Through civics. Then every country is run by a government, isn't it? There is a body of government in every country. There is a government that runs every country. Now, what is this government? It is a body, it is a group of leaders. It's not just one person, but there are different leaders which form a government. Okay, and any country, or we can say mostly all the countries are run by a government. Now, where does this government come from? Who forms this government? Tell me.
Then now the class is over.
Yes, the class will get over. Okay, tell me, who forms this government? Who frames the government? Who chooses the government? How does it come?
Citizens.
Yes, very good. The people of the country choose their government. How do they choose? By electing, by
Bye,
voting.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
By
by electing.
voting